The visitors from the stars. We have just received breathtaking new images of 3 Atlas. The third interstellar object ever detected as it drifts silently through the vast ocean of our solar system. What these images reveal has left astronomers astonished, filled with awe, debate, and a sense of mystery that reminds us how little we truly know. The story of interstellar visitors is still young, almost brand new in human history. For thousands of years, we gazed upward and believed every comet, every asteroid, every wandering star was a child of our own sun. Our skies seemed familiar, mapped and explained. But then, only a few short years ago, the cosmos revealed something unexpected: visitors from beyond. Objects not bound to our solar system, but born in alien nurseries, traveling across unimaginable distances, and now, briefly crossing paths with us. The first was Oumuamua, discovered in 2017. A strange, cigar-shaped traveler from the dark between the stars. It did not behave like any comet we knew. No glowing tail, no obvious signs of ice or gas. Instead, it glided through space with strange, unexplained accelerations. It tilted. It spun. It seemed to resist prediction. And then, as suddenly as it appeared, it was gone. Slipping back into the cosmic night, leaving behind nothing but questions. Was it a fragment of a shattered world? A piece of something artificial? Or simply a new kind of natural body we had never seen before? Even today, we do not know. The second was Comet Borisov, discovered in 2019. At first, it looked more familiar. A glowing nucleus with a brilliant icy tail stretching across the void. But deeper study told a stranger story. Its chemistry did not match the comets of our own system. It contained rare compounds, fingerprints of a star system far from ours. Borisov was proof that the recipe for making comets is not the same everywhere. That planetary systems may cook their ingredients in very different ways. And now, another visitor, 3 Atlas. Restless. Unpredictable. Unlike anything before. Neither the silent shard of Oumuamua, nor the icy cometary giant Borisov. It is something new. Something stranger. The world's most powerful eyes turned toward it. The James Webb Space Telescope, a machine designed to see deeper, farther, and clearer than anything before it. Its mission was straightforward. Observe the tail, measure the speed, analyze the chemistry. But instead, Webb uncovered something no one expected. For the very first time, an interstellar body showed movements gravity alone could not explain. It accelerated when no force seemed to act on it. It slowed without reason. At times, it even reversed its path, as if resisting the pull of ordinary physics. This was not the calm, predictable behavior of a comet born in our solar system. This was something else. Something alive with motion, almost deliberate. Infrared images showed plumes of exotic gases erupting from its surface. But instead of flowing smoothly into a tail, these eruptions fractured into chaotic bursts. Jagged. Violent. Unpredictable. Each burst tied to a sudden, dramatic change in speed, as though the object itself pulsed with a hidden rhythm. Almost like a heartbeat in space. Then came the chemistry. Rare carbon compounds. Microscopic silicate dust. Exotic ices unknown in our solar system. Every signature pointed to the same conclusion: 3 Atlas was not born here. It carried the frozen memory of a stellar nursery far away, perhaps deep within another arm of the Milky Way. And so, astronomers began to realize, this was not just a comet. It was a messenger from another world, a traveler carrying secrets older than our sun. The restless messenger, and yet, not every movement made sense. Some sudden shifts in its trajectory occurred without any visible release of gas or dust. No vents. No jets. No outward force that we could see. Only unexplained accelerations, as if hidden forces, unknown to us, were nudging it along. Many scientists believe there must be natural explanations. Fractured crystals releasing pressure. Hidden chambers of gas deep within its core. Or strange internal structures we cannot yet model. But even so, the erratic and almost deliberate movements remain a puzzle. That is why 3 Atlas is more than a passing visitor. It is a laboratory in motion, a moving classroom teaching us not only about astronomy, but about life itself. Perhaps it is more than ice and dust. Perhaps it is a courier. A cosmic delivery system scattering rare molecules across the galaxy. Each plume of gas. Each burst of dust. A chemical package released into the dark. This connects directly to the ancient theory of panspermia, the idea that life is not confined to a single world. That seeds of biology drift between the stars, preserved in the frozen hearts of comets, waiting only for the right chemistry and the right planet to awaken. If this is true, then Earth may not be unique. Life itself may be a universal spark, kindled wherever conditions allow it to flourish. 3 Atlas, then, is not simply an interstellar wanderer. It may be part of the great distribution system of the cosmos. But its story is not only biological. It is also mechanical, a revelation about the very nature of comets. For centuries, astronomers assumed comets were simple machines. Gravity guided their paths. Ice vapor pushed them forward in steady, predictable ways. 3 Atlas shattered that belief. Its unpredictable behavior suggests something far more complex. Hidden chambers of gas. Crystalline structures storing and releasing energy. Valves that burst open like natural engines. 3 Atlas is not a frozen relic. It is a dynamic machine, alive with motion, its core filled with processes we are only beginning to glimpse. This lesson matters for our future. If one day humanity sends spacecraft to intercept such a visitor, we will face challenges we cannot yet imagine. A comet that twists and pulses with hidden forces cannot be approached using the assumptions of old. Future probes will need agility. They will need to think for themselves. Perhaps even AI-driven navigation to react instantly to sudden, unpredictable changes in trajectory. By the time a command travels from Earth to such a probe, 3 Atlas may have already changed direction. This discovery changes not just our science, but our engineering, our imagination, our philosophy. 3 Atlas reminds us that the universe is not uniform. Not predictable. Not familiar. Its chemistry proves that not all planetary systems are alike. Some are born in violent, radiation-rich nurseries. Some lock away exotic ices. Some preserve the fingerprints of ancient, vanished stars. By studying this one restless traveler, we glimpse the staggering diversity of worlds across the galaxy. It is a mirror to the cosmos, showing us that what we consider normal is only one version of reality. The universe itself is restless. Not silent. Not still. But alive with messengers, couriers, and travelers moving endlessly between the stars. 3 Atlas is not merely an interstellar comet. It is a story in motion. A story written in ice, dust, and fire. A story whispering of distant worlds we may never see. A story reminding us that even the loneliest fragments of rock and ice can shape the destiny of living planets. And as it passes through our solar system, before vanishing once again into the deep dark between the stars, 3 Atlas leaves us with a final message. Even in the silence of space, there is chemistry. There is motion. And there are stories. Stories waiting to be